My name is Muhammad Ishazi bin Aminullah. Matrix number is 1036. Hello everyone. Do you all use cooking gas when you want to cook? Of course you do. Cooking gas are commonly used in every house. I believe everyone knows that we need to install the cooking gas to the stove by using gas hose. But do all of you install it properly? It must be done a proper way to prevent the stove from getting broken. So today, I'm going to show all of you the process of how to install a cooking gas. The methods are quite simple and it can be done in no time. First of all, the regulator is turned off before the empty gas is removed. Do not smoke nearly the gas. Then, the empty gas is put aside. Do not carelessly holding the gas to avoid gas from fall to your feet. The new gas is prepared. Later, make sure the regulator hose and the new gas is free of leaks and damage. After that, the regulator hose is installed from the gas to the stove. Next, the regulator hose and gas is double checked for any leak and there is no smell of gas. Make sure your hands clean from flammable materials before you check the stove. Then, the fire is ignited perfectly in the stove. Finally, the gas is placed in the safe place. Once completed, the gas is ready to be used. So, that's all the method to install the gas. It's really important for all of us to know how to install the gas. And please, remember the caution, which is, do not smoking nearly the gas. Do not carelessly when handle the gas to avoid gas from fall to your feet. And make sure your hands clean from flammable materials. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.